Hello friends, today I will be discussing important tips and tricks to get an internship or a co-op after you have an admit from a particular university. So let's directly move on to the tips. The first idea is LinkedIn profile update. So there are various approaches you can use a LinkedIn to get a referral or to get an internship offer. First thing is approach the seniors working at a company you are targeting. These seniors will be the seniors who have studied from the same university from which you have got an admit. The idea here is that you use the seniors to get a referral later when you are applying for internship. The second point is keep your LinkedIn profile updated so that any recruiters who want to see can see your updated profile and resume. The third idea is to invest 2 or 3 days in making contact with the people who you know are working in US because one contact will lead to other contact and you will have a myriad of connections. The fourth is to get a recommendation on your LinkedIn profile from someone, maybe it a professor, maybe a company from which you have come to do master, or any other source. Get a recommendation because recommendation helps in getting contacts with the recruiters. The second thing is time frame to apply. I've seen many students who are confused whether to apply at a particular semester or the next semester. There's never a right time or there is always a right time. Application is a two-way process. The first is application through career page or the second is application through referral. Our advice will be for the first month you apply through a career page without any referral. After a month you switch to the referrals, those referrals which you have already made the LinkedIn connections. It is very important you apply for at least two universities or the two companies you are targeting right from the day you come into the college. Another important point is the website to look for to get the connections of the maybe a HR representative or other recruiters. So doing the research we came up with one such website that is rocketreach.org where you can basically sign up and get free contacts of the HR representative and you can use for sending your resume or any contact you want to make with HR. Another thing is career fair and resume preparation. It is advisable to properly utilize the career fair as these are the sure shot chances of getting called from the interview. Make at least a 2 minute write-up covering all your important points, your resume and the area you want to apply so that you can use while presenting yourself in the career field. Second, for the resume preparation, prepare your resume before coming for master. Tailor-made resume suiting the need of a company which you want to apply. At least have 2-3 different variants of resume which you can use based upon the job profile. Include ongoing project as well as these will help in adding the content to your resume. Another point is Excel sheet tracking. I've seen many students who have secured 4 to 5 offers for internship have one thing in common is the proper mechanism to track the application. Our advice will be to have an Excel sheet which will show the company, the HR contact, the referral, the position you want to apply, the application deadline, the time frame in which your application is stuck, any follow-up date or any deadline. These sheets will basically help you in tracking all your application and will be very easy in order to track and get an internship secure. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you in securing the internship.